Hello everyone and welcome back to Florence, Tuscany. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are right in front of the Duomo of Florence, just a few steps away to the property we're about to visit. It is Palazzo Portinari Salviati, an incredible 13th century building with lots of stories to tell, that today has been restored into a luxury 5-star hotel with 14 suites in the hotel side and 22 luxury apartments for sale. We are going to visit 3 of them today. Let's begin the tour. Come with me. Together with centuries-long history, attention to detail and luxury finishes, what makes this project special is also and especially all of the common area features, together with the concierge services, the spa, the Michelin-Star Restaurant, the gym, and much more. The history of the palace begins in the 13th century, when Folco Portinari, a well-known Florentine banker and founder of the Santa Maria Nuova Hospital, had a series of houses built for his family. Among others, Folco Portinari was the father of the equally famous Beatrice Portinari, Dante's muse. The poet's verses are inscribed on a plaque on the palace facade. The internal courtyard of the palazzo has been completely converted into an excellent Bistrot Restaurant. It is available both in the morning for breakfast, it is available for lunch or for dinners with an excellent selection of meals. From this internal courtyard, you also access to the concierge service with the reception of the hotel. Also, there are 3 elevators in the whole hotel that connect all the levels. On a wing of the courtyard, we find an excellent cocktail bar on my left, perfect for an aperitivo before dinner. You also have a smoker's area on my right and on my left over here. And on that side, we find spacious rooms that can be reserved if you have a conference or if you have a presentation or a business meeting, or for a large dinner. In the end, we also find the famous chef Vito Mollica that has made a beautiful Michelin-Star restaurant inside a second courtyard of the building. On the old storages and cellars of the palazzo, underground, we find the incredible spa, wellness center, and gym. In the spa, which is all over on this side, we find a massage area. There are his and hers changing rooms with showers. Then there is also a sauna, a steam shower, and a relaxation space, together with the beautiful indoor swimming pool that is heated at 44 degrees. This is the gym of the property. It is nice and spacious. We have also here historical details like these arch ceilings, which are original of antique cellars. On the floor we find beautiful wood boards, and the space is, of course, air-conditioned for the summer. It is fully equipped, as you can see, and it is to be used by the hotel guests or by the owners of the apartments. The palazzo, thus created, was purchased in 1546 by Jacopo Salviati, Lorenzo de' Medici's son-in-law. With the unification of Italy and the movement of the capital to Florence in 1865, the Italian government identified the palace as the seat of the Ministry of Justice and Religion. For the occasion, a further expansion of the building was carried out in 1866, following a design by Francesco Mazzei and Nicola Nasi, which added 16 rooms to the palace. After a careful restoration in 2022, the property was converted into a luxury residential building, incorporating 22 private apartments and a 14 suites resort with impressive common area services. Welcome to apartment number 8. We are on the first floor of the part in Via dello Studio access. It has an internal staircase or a connection through the internal lift. The property is 98 square meters in internal space with an asking price of 950,000 euros. There is 1 bedroom and 2 bathrooms. Let's see it. This is the main living area. As you walk in, this can be used either as a spacious dining area, as a sitting space, and through these steps you access to the service bathroom over here. It has both a shower, sink, and the WC. On this part then you find the kitchen space, which has windows overlooking the internal courtyard. And the finishes are left as you see them. So when the property is sold, you will have all of the floors as you see them now with this beautiful herringbone finish on the wood. There is of course the heating system and the cooling system. It only needs the furnishing, it needs the light fixtures and the kitchen. Let me show you the bedroom. From the living area, we directly access into the bedroom space. It begins from here. It has this beautiful ensuite bathroom on this side. There is a large shower in the end. And then as we keep going, we find the bedroom. It is full of natural light, nice and high ceilings, and it is characterized by this big window overlooking the private terrace. The bed is thought to be installed here in the middle. And let me show you the terrace. So the window slides and opens up onto this terrace. This is completely covered in terracotta, nice and spacious, and it's very enjoyable for the summertime. There is both water and electricity. You can set up an outdoor sitting area, an outdoor table to have breakfast, lunch, or dinner outside. Welcome to apartment number 14. We are on the second floor from the access in Via dello Studio, and here we find 88 square meters with 1 bedroom and 2 bathrooms with an asking price of 1,100,000 euros. This is the entrance room, nice and spacious and full of natural light. We have openings on 2 sides. On this part we find the first bathroom. This is a service bathroom for the common areas. And as we keep going, we find what could be ideally a dining space. Also here we have an open view on that side with lots of natural light. Connected, we find the kitchen. It is a spacious kitchen with marble finishes on the floor and it needs to be installed. Let's see the bedroom. Next, we have the bedroom. Also here we find the same beautiful herringbone pattern floors, and of course all over we have underfloor heating and air conditioning. Windows on 2 sides. The bed is thought to be on this part over here with the plugs, and if we keep going we find this first room, which can be a walk-in closet, and next the beautiful ensuite bathroom with double sink, shower and marble finishes. Welcome inside the third and last unit available in Via dello Studio. This is unit number 13, still on the second floor. It is 80 square meters in internal space with 1 bedroom and 2 bathrooms with an asking price of 1 million euros. This is the main entrance and living area. It is a beautifully large space with 2 windows on this side that give lots of natural light, while on the other part we have the section for the kitchen and a bathroom that serves the common areas. Here we find the bedroom. It is very spacious as well. The bed is thought to be positioned on that side. There are also 2 windows giving lots of natural light, and you also have space for a nice wardrobe. On this side, you then find the ensuite bathroom with double sink, a nice and large window and shower together with marble finishes. And here we are ending today's property tour. I hope you enjoyed these apartments. They are inside one of the most beautiful palazzos in the center of Florence. Please let me know if you have any questions, and remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!